Adding a menu on Wix Mobile is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open editor.wix.com in your web browser. Here, switch to Mobile Edit Mode for mobile optimization. Now click on the search bar. Then edit the 3 horizontal lines menu icon. Click on the 3 horizontal lines and select Design from the options. Here, you can browse different design icons. Select the design that you like the most. Now, you can right-click on an element to move it between the menu, box header, and footer. If you go to the menu layout, select any submenu arrow position. Then choose the text alignment. Next, go to the settings icon and click on Set as Advanced. Then check the other options and click on Animation. Here, you can find different animations to choose from. When selecting an animation, you can customize its direction, duration, and other settings. You can adjust other elements according to your preferences. Now, go to the Mobile Tools. Here, click on the Back to Top button where you can find many icons. Once you've added all the necessary elements, scroll down to check your changes.